You're staring at your charts, indicators are flashing, and you're thinking, TradingView, you're my best friend. But, is it really? Have you ever stopped to wonder if this powerhouse platform has a dark side? I mean, we all know the perks: slick interface, endless indicators, community scripts, the works. But what about the hidden costs, the frustrating limitations, the things they don't exactly advertise? Let's dive into the disadvantages of TradingView, the stuff that might just make you rethink your charting strategy. First up, let's talk about the subscription model. Yeah, those free charts are tempting, but let's be real, they're severely limited. Multiple layouts, more indicators, real-time data? That's all behind a paywall. And it's not cheap. The higher tiers can really eat into your trading capital, especially if you're a beginner. Look, you pay for what you get, but those recurring fees add up, and if you're not maximizing the platform's features, you're essentially throwing money away. Then there's the data feed. While TradingView pulls data from various sources, it's not always the fastest or most reliable. You might experience delays or discrepancies compared to your broker's platform. In the fast-paced world of trading, even a few seconds can make a huge difference. Imagine missing a crucial entry or exit because your chart is lagging. That's a real risk. And don't even get me started on the occasional data outages. They happen, and when they do, your entire trading setup can come to a grinding halt. Let's address the community scripts. While they're a fantastic resource, they're also a double-edged sword. Anyone can publish a script, and that means a lot of them are untested, poorly coded, or just plain wrong. Relying on these scripts without thorough backtesting and understanding can lead to significant losses. It's like taking medical advice from a random person on the street. You wouldn't do that, would you? Treat community scripts with the same skepticism. Another point of contention is the alert system. It's powerful, but it can also be overwhelming. Too many alerts, and you'll find yourself drowning in notifications. And let's be honest, those alerts aren't always accurate. False signals are a common occurrence, and if you're not careful, they can trigger impulsive trades based on faulty information. It's crucial to filter and refine your alerts, but that requires time and effort, something busy traders often lack. Now, let's talk about customization. While TradingView offers a ton of options, it can also be overwhelming. The sheer number of indicators, drawing tools, and settings can be daunting, especially for beginners. It's easy to get lost in a maze of options and spend more time tweaking your charts than actually trading. And let's not forget the learning curve. Mastering all the platform's features takes time and dedication. It's not as intuitive as it might seem. Finally, while TradingView is great for analysis, it's not a trading platform. You still need a separate broker to execute trades. This means you're juggling multiple platforms, which can be inefficient and increase the risk of errors. Integrating your broker with TradingView can help, but not all brokers are compatible, and the integration isn't always seamless. You're still relying on two distinct systems, and that adds complexity to your workflow. So, while TradingView is undoubtedly a powerful charting tool, it's not without its drawbacks. The subscription costs, data reliability issues, the pitfalls of community scripts, alert fatigue, the steep learning curve, and the need for a separate broker are all factors to consider. Don't get me wrong, it's a valuable resource, but it's essential to be aware of its limitations. Use it wisely, and don't let the hype blind you to its flaws. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.